Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. There are times when you can use even only the most basic nouns in Filipino. It could be fun to know some and use them to surprise locals the next time you talk to them. Let's start with fun but also useful ones. Pera. This is money in English. Pera. 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 May pera ka ba? Wala akong pera. Marami akong pera. Bahay. It means house. Bahay. 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 May bahay ka? Wala akong bahay. Meron akong bahay. Lalaki. This is boy or man in English. La-la-ki. Lalaki. 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 Sino yung lalaki? Gwapong lalaki. Walang lalaki. Babae is girl or woman. Babae. 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 Sino yung babae? Magandang babae. Alak. This translates to alcohol in English. Alak. 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 May alak ba kayo? Maraming alak dito. Wala kaming alak. These are some random Filipino nouns that you can use when you talk to some locals. Let's practice saying the words. This means money. Pera. This means house. Bahay. This means boy, man. Lalaki. This means girl, woman. Babae. This means alcohol. Alak. I hope you find them useful the next time you meet and banter with a local. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.